नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. In last lecture we have seen the meaning of numbers having index in the form of 1 upon n. I will revise this. Suppose this is a number a having index 1 upon n. In last we have seen that the meaning of this number, that is, what is the meaning of this number? Nth root of a. See, in this example, index is in the form of 1 upon n. So meaning of this number is fifth root. Here value of n is 5. So fifth root of number, that is 13. So meaning of this number is fifth root of 13. Similarly, we have seen a different examples like what is the meaning of this number? In this example, value of n is 7. So seventh root. So seventh root of given number, that is 30. So meaning of this is seventh root of 30. It means this number 7 or this 5, this number showing a value of root. So this point we have seen in last lecture. Now today we have to learn that meaning of number, meaning of numbers having rational index, in the form m upon n. So we have to learn this point now. Meaning of numbers having index in rational form of m upon n. Before that, you know what is a rational number. You already know the concept of this rational number, that is the number of the form m upon n. The number of the form m upon n is known as a rational number in which m and n both are integers, where value of n is not equal to 0. So this form of number is known as a rational number. So you have studied this concept. Now our point, meaning of number having rational index in the form of m upon n. This point we have taken with the help of example. यामध्ये आपल्याला जो नंबर दिलेला आहे त्याचा घातांक जो आहे तो परिमेय संख्या आहे, म्हणजे रॅशनल नंबर मध्ये त्याचा घातांक दिलेला आहे. तर त्याचा मीनिंग काय आहे हे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी बघायचं आहे. सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ एक्झाम्पल वी विल सी दिस कन्सेप्ट. नाउ एक्झाम्पल इज we have taken example. So here is example. First example, 27 raised to 4 upon 5. See this number, 27 raised to 4 upon 5. In this number, index is in the rational form, that is m upon n, both having integers. So what is the meaning of this number? See this number, that is 27 raised to 4 upon 5. This number have two meanings. This number have two meanings. See this 4 upon 5. This 4 upon 5, it means 4 into 1 upon 5. Both have a same value. So this number, that is 27 raised to 4 upon 5. This number can be written in two forms. First, 27 raised to 4 raised to 1 upon 5. So this is the first form, and in second form you just alter these values, that is outside value, that is 1 upon 5 you have to taken in inside, and value 4 which is taken outside. See 27, this value taken inside, that is 1 upon 5 raised to 4. See this value has two meanings. This value has two meanings. First you should understood this. Now we have to learn what is the meaning of this number. To write the meaning, you must know that in this format, that is 4 upon 5, this value, that is numerator value, it indicates the value of power. It indicates the value of power. And this denominator value, this value shows the value of root. It shows the value of root. You must remember this point, that is numerator denotes value of power, and this denominator, it denotes value of root. You must remember this point. With the help of this we can write the meaning of these numbers. So meaning of this first number is, see 1 upon 5. This 1 upon 5, that is denominator value, it indicates the value of root, that is 5. So fifth root. So fifth root of now 4, which denotes the value of power, that is fourth power. So fifth root of fourth power of given number, that is 27. So this is the meaning of this number, that is fifth root. See this 1 upon 5, it indicates value of root. So fifth root of this 4, it denotes the value of power. So fifth root of fourth power of given number, that is 27. Similarly here, first outside value, that is 4, which denotes power. So fourth power. So fourth power of, now this value denotes root. So fourth power of fifth root of given number, that is 27. See, to write the meaning of this number, you must remember this form, that is numerator, it indicates the value of power, and denominator, it indicates the value of root. And this number, that is 27 raised to 4 upon 5, this number can be written in two forms like this, and their meanings, we have to write their meanings. So to write down the meanings of this number, you must remember this. Now we will see a general form of this format. General form. So next one is general form of this. General form. See, generally we can express two meanings of number. That is, if number is a raised to m upon n. See this number a raised to m upon n. This number having index in rational index form. So this number has two meanings. So first meaning is a raised to m raised to 1 upon n. So this is the first form of this number. Now second form. In this 1 upon n, this outside value you should taken in inside, and inside value, that is m, it taken outside. That is a raised to 1 upon n raised to m. So we can write the meaning of this number in two ways. Now what is the meaning of these numbers? We will see, we have already seen that numerator value, it shows value of power, and denominator value, it shows value of root. So with the help of this, we can write the meaning of given numbers. That is, see first 1 upon n, it shows root. So nth root of, now inside m is a power. So nth root of mth power of given number, that is a. So this is the meaning of this first number. Now second, see in this number outside there is a m, and value m, it denotes the power. So mth power, then 1 upon n, which shows the value of root. So nth power of nth root of given number, that is a. In this way we can write the meaning of these numbers. So you must remember, while writing the meaning of this form of number, m, which is a numerator, it shows the value of power, and n, that is in denominator, this value, it shows the value of root. So while solving this type of example, you must remember this point.